In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GoDaddy payment method. If you need to update the card or payment details connected to your GoDaddy account, this process is simple and only takes a few moments. It's a good idea to keep your payment information current so you can avoid billing issues, failed renewals, or interruptions to any products and services connected to your account. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area where your profile and settings are easy to access. If you manage multiple products, don't worry, your payment settings are usually controlled from your account section. Next, click on your profile. This is typically located near the top area of the screen, and it gives you access to your personal account options. After opening the profile menu, click on Account Settings. This is where GoDaddy stores the main details related to your account, including billing and payment preferences. Once you're in Account Settings, click on Payment Method. This section shows the payment options currently saved on your account. Here you'll be able to review the method that is currently being used for purchases, renewals, or other account charges. Now look for your current payment method. You should see a three-dot menu next to it. Click those three dots and then click Edit. This will open the editable payment details so you can make the necessary changes. Carefully update the information you need to change, such as the expiration date, billing details, or other payment-related fields. As you do this, make sure everything is entered accurately to prevent any issues when future payments are processed. After you've finished editing the details, click Save. That will apply the updated payment information to your GoDaddy account. Once it's saved, it's a good idea to quickly review the updated method to confirm that the changes were entered correctly. And that's it. Your GoDaddy payment method has now been updated. If you don't see the option right away, just make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you're in the Payment Method section under Account Settings. Keeping this information updated can help make sure your domains and services continue without interruption.